videos, why connections are dropped too much.
I think actually your connection is slow or some problem is there with it.
Actually, around all of are working on the same net. I think that's why sometimes it's drop down, and
Yeah,
if someone download some video, that's why it will drop down.
yes,
I'm
yes.
not in a meeting room, na, that's why I'm sitting in my own room. That's why it dropped. If I will take call through my conference room, that will not be disconnected.
Yeah, that's why actually, your internet is being used by
Yeah,
many of the people
yeah,
in
yeah.
office at the same time.
Either we have very good connection. We have around 50 GB internet speed. We have 50 GB internet speed.
50 GB?
Yeah, 50 MB, 50 MB. Sorry,
Ah,
50 MB internet speed, and
MPBS, yes.
right, 50 MB. It's sufficient for everyone because 50 MB is very good speed.
Yes, of course. And
Yeah, yeah.
I have got 8 MPBS.
Yeah, because
But
you are only one who used
yes,
the connection. That's why
yeah,
you are running completely 8 Mbps. I have I think 2 or 3 Mbps because it's split with others.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
But actually, my 8 MPBS I am using alone actually.
Okay.
One
Whenever
PC.
I have no problem. Whenever my call will disconnected, I will again call you and start with the same.
I have no problem. Okay, don't worry. Hmm.
Everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So actually, I have given you a link here on your screen.
Yeah.
You
It
may
is
download that video and you may watch it,
okay.
and you will come to know that expression. Have you got?
Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It's
We
very
will
good.
see.
It's very good video. Even you will enjoy some comedy and everything is there, so you'll enjoy it. So,
I have are you hear me? I hear you.
yeah,
I
yeah,
see.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah, yes. Go ahead. Mm.
Hmm. Should I download now or later?
No, later you may download. No
Okay.
problem. Not
Okay.
now.
Okay. We need to discuss more on the topic we had discussed that have
Yes.
or present.
So now actually it's clear. I think it might be very much clear to you that
Mhm.
how to use uh, past perfect and present perfect.
Past perfect and present perfect
Yeah. And past indefinite.
and past indefinite.
Hmm.
Right.
Okay, so now let's talk about future.
Can I uh, repeat at myself like past continue, which we have covered, uh, past perfect.
Yeah, you may ask me if you have any doubt, no problem.
Uh, uh, we have covered past perfect and
Past perfect, present perfect, and past indefinite.
okay, past indefinite, which way I got. I went to the Jammu and I saw
Yes,
a
I saw.
I saw big and high mountains over there,
Mm-hmm.
and I saw a beautiful market. Right,
Yes.
I,
Yes.
I I bought a lot of stuff from there. It's a past indefinite,
Yes. Yes.
and we talk about past perfect.
Mm.
Past perfect. I have complete my studies, and
That is present perfect.
that is present perfect.
Hmm.
But how I have studied. It's a present in present perfect.
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट मतलब कर लिया है, खत्म कर लिया है। आई हैव स्टडीड, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय वर्क, मैंने कर लिया है। इट हैज
Okay, and give me one or two example for past perfect.
पास्ट परफेक्ट लाइक मीन्स yeah, I had reached my home
Hmm.
before the guest arrived.
Okay. Okay. Basically, this is a two sentence which combine.
Yeah,
I had, what you say?
I had reached my
I
home.
have reached my home
I
before
I
came.
had
I had
reached
reached
my home before
home
the guest arrived.
before guest arrived. Okay. Or okay. Any
Like one more. Uh, my son, my son had sold his bike before I knew.
before I
I knew
before buying
before I
before
before I knew.
before I knew
Uh, Knew
before I
means I came to know.
before I came to know. Okay.
Understand? My son had sold his bike before I came to know.
Okay. Before I came to know.
मीन्स मेरे लड़के ने अपनी बाइक बेच दी थी,
Okay.
मुझे पता चलने से पहले।
Okay. Okay. Okay.
लाइक दिस।
Before I knew. Okay. Or any single sentence
Single sentence,
in
yes.
past perfect.
Yes, like I had taken food till then.
Okay.
आई
तब तक
हैड
मैंने
हाँ, तब
डिनर.
तक मैंने खाना खा लिया था। आई हैड टेकन फूड टिल देन।
Okay. 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 Okay.
और
Okay.
और
Yeah.
बिफोर
Got.
ऑल्सो, आई हैड बीन टू मुंबई बिफोर ऑल्सो।
I have been to the Mumbai.
आई हैड बीन
Okay. I had B.
आई हैड बीन
So I had been to the Mumbai. Right. Right.
आई हैड बीन टू मुंबई बिफोर ऑल्सो।
I had been to Mumbai last year. Is it?
बिफोर ऑल्सो, हाँ।
I had been to Mumbai, to the Mumbai.
बिफोर ऑल्सो,
Is it right?
हाँ, यस।
Okay, okay, okay. Basically, we use past perfect for our past, past of past,
यस, पास्ट ऑफ पास्ट।
which we had done in the past, and there is no connection.
Past of past means when the two actions happened in the past,
Okay,
and but one was before that past action। मतलब एक बाद में हुआ, एक पहले हुआ, दोनों पास्ट में हुए।
okay,
तो जो पहले हुआ वो पास्ट परफेक्ट में होगा, जो बाद वाला पास्ट का एक्शन है वो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में होगा।
okay,
जैसे
okay, okay.
सपोज आई से मे मेरे
I
रिपोर्ट
had
हाँ, मेरे रिपोर्ट लिखवाने से पहले ही पुलिस ने चोर को पकड़ लिया था।
okay before uh, had the theft had
नहीं तो पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया था ना पहले।
okay,
मैंने जो करना था वो बाद में करता, लेकिन पुलिस ने तो पहले ही पकड़ लिया। द पुलिस हैड कॉट द थीफ।
okay. This had caught the thief before
आई
I
लॉस्ट
complained.
बिफोर आई लॉस्ट अ कंप्लेंट।
Okay, lost.
लॉज कंप्लेंट लॉज कराने के लिए क्या बोलते हैं हम? लॉज। जैसे हम कहीं पे शिकायत करते हैं ना, पुलिस में रिपोर्ट
Lodge.
लिखाना, लॉज।
Lodge. Is there a verb for their lodge? Lodge. First form of lodge. What is the
यस,
first form of lodge?
दैट इज लॉज। लॉज फर्स्ट फॉर्म
Okay.
एंड और एंड
Lodge is the first form.
लॉज्ड
Lodge.
यस,
Okay.
सेकंड
Lodge,
थर्ड।
lodged.
यस, लाइक आपने
Okay,
कहा
okay,
आई
okay.
लॉज्ड अ कंप्लेंट विद द पुलिस यस्टरडे।
Yeah.
आई लॉज्ड अ कंप्लेंट,
What's the complaint?
या आई लॉज्ड एन FIR। आई लॉज्ड,
Okay.
या
But this is not the past. This is not the past perfect, na? I lose the complaint. Basically, this is the present indefinite. I lost the complaint.
हाँ, यस,
This is the perfect present indefinite.
यस,
To
दिस इज
close the
प्रेजेंट
complaint,
इंडेफिनिट।
present indefinite, right? Basically, I had lost the complaint before police
नहीं, एक्चुअली
पकड़
यस,
लिया.
पुलिस ने चोर को पकड़ लिया था मेरे कंप्लेंट
The
लिखवाने से
police,
पहले।
right. The police had
गॉट,
caught the theft before I lodged the complaint.
बिफोर आई लॉज्ड अ कंप्लेंट।
Before I lodged.
यस,
What is the exact pronunciation? Lodged? Lodged.
लॉज्ड,
Lo-
लॉज्ड, लॉज्ड,
Lodged.
यस,
Lost. Lost. Yeah, lodged.
लॉज्ड,
Lost.
not it's
Lost.
lost.
Lodged.
You can't say lost.
Lodged.
Yeah,
Okay. Lodged.
yeah.
Yeah.
Actually,
Okay.
the pronunciation is this.
Lodge.
Yeah.
Okay. Lodge.
Yes.
Lodge a complaint. Lodge a complaint. Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Yes. Do you want to ask me anything else in that, or?
Uh, no, now it's clear. If you talk about our past, then
Yeah, I want to tell you something in past tense, and I would like you to listen to me carefully, and that would be a topic for speaking also. So
okay,
I'm just going to share an incident actually that happened.
okay,
Actually, that incident happened in my childhood. Okay.
okay.
At that time, I was just 2 year old. I was just
Okay.
2 year old,
Mm-hmm.
and I was cutting teeth. You understand the meaning of cutting teeth?
Yeah. Cutting teeth. Or cut jana.
Mm,
Cutting teeth. दांत.
cutting teeth means
दांत कट जाना.
no,
Cutting
no,
teeth. काटना. दांत.
no.
What?
No. Cutting teeth means the process of growing teeth. Understand? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Process
Understand.
of means दांत निकलते हैं ना बच्चे के,
Right, right, right.
उसको बोलते हैं. जैसे किसी बच्चे के दांत निकल रहे हैं तब हम बोलते हैं that child is cutting teeth.
Okay, okay.
So I was cutting teeth.
Okay.
I was just 2 years old and I was cutting teeth. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I was cutting teeth and I was suffering from loose motions.
Okay.
And as I was just 2 years old, and that on that particular day, my mother was cooking pudding in the kitchen,
Hmm.
and my father was sitting in the kitchen itself waiting for the food.
Okay.
And I was very much fond of having pudding in my childhood. So I was just standing beside my mother and I pulled my mother's sari and I asked her to give me some pudding. But my mother denied. But my mother denied because she knew it very well that I was suffering from loose motion. But after some
Sorry.
time,
Yeah.
I pulled my mother's sari again and I asked my mother in lisping voice. Lisping voice, you know lisping?
Yeah, yeah, listening. Lip, lisping voice. No, no. What?
Lisping means tutlana.
Okay. Lisping voice.
Okay.
Okay.
So I asked my mother in lisping voice to give me some pudding, but she denied me again because she knew it. I was suffering from loose motion. But the third time when I pulled my mother's sari and asked her to give me some pudding, she asked me to go to my father.
Okay.
I went to my father who was sitting in the kitchen itself and having lunch. And I asked my father to give me some pudding. But my father was getting late to his office. So he didn't pay me any attention. Then I again asked my father to give me some pudding, but he denied and he scolded. He scolded me. So I was in fear.
Okay.
So I just started going back without turning my face. And unfortunately, there was a staircase behind me. Staircase, you know?
Yeah, yeah, I know staircase.
Staircase. सीढ़ियाँ.
Yeah, yeah, staircase.
जीने जिसको बोलते हैं, जीने.
Right, right.
So I was in fear and I started going back without turning my face and I rolled down. I rolled down from first to last
Oh.
and I cried loudly and I was unconscious. And I had a very deep cut on my forehead here, you can see.
Okay.
Yeah. And my grandfather was in toilet that time. He came out immediately. He picked me up and he pressed my forehead and rushed to the hospital, nearby hospital.
Okay.
And all the family members followed him.
Mm-hmm.
And I was the only child in my family that time.
Okay.
So my uncle, my auntie, my mother, grandmother, father, everybody followed my grandfather.
Okay. Okay.
And the doctor examined me in the hospital and found that I was unconscious.
Okay.
And I got 7 stitches on my forehead.
Okay.
And doctor told my parents that if I didn't get consciousness within
Hmm.
next within next 16 or 24 hours, I might die or I might be mentally retarded. Clear?
Right. Yeah.
Fortunately, and that time everybody was praying to God for my life.
Hmm.
And after 16 hours, I opened my eyes
Okay.
and I asked my mother to give me some water this time, not pudding.
Hmm.
Everybody heaved a sigh of relief. I'm telling you, every it is side, not side. Just let me correct this. It's side, not side. This is correct. Everybody,
Everybody
everybody heaved a sigh of relief.
shy of relief. Everybody.
Heaved a sigh of relief. इसका मतलब होता है चैन की सांस लेना.
Everybody he was shy of relief.
हाँ, मतलब चैन की
Everybody.
सांस ली सबने.
Okay. Okay. Everybody shy of relief.
Hmm.
Okay. Then what?
Then I recovered in 10 or 15 days and I was okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you will speak that topic.
Okay.
Not
Yeah. Yeah. I
now,
listen everything.
not now, later. You,
What?
you, you write that topic in your own
Okay.
words and try to speak it in your next lesson.
Okay.
This is
Basically, we want basically we need to the same or some different. It's my own half an hour. Mein.
no, you can repeat the same, no problem. If
Okay.
you
Okay.
can,
Nee, I think this is your story basically.
so what?
Uh,
So what? You are going to learn something when you speak something.
I have noticed a lot of things that you use if you are some if there is any uh, if basically you used two type of sentence, right?
I.
Working in the past,
Mhm.
some sentences which are working in the past,
Mhm.
that your mother was making something, is
Mhm.
doing something, your father is doing something, like that. And these type of sentences, and some of like you ask something and he didn't notice you, like that. Like past continuous, you
Past,
used
past
continuous,
continuous, past continuous, and
continuous
past
and
indefinite.
past continuous and
Past
pa-
indefinite.
past indefinite. Right. Past indefinite. Most of these two sentences you used.
Hmm. So you actually, you can repeat the same in your own words, no problem if you can.
Okay. Basically, we need to prepare. If I want to repeat your story, or we can little modify that.
it is up to you if you want to
Okay, okay.
modify. You can modify.
Basically, the purpose for this is we need to use exact sentence in the right place. How we use our past sentence, right? Right, right,
Yes.
right, right. Good.
So, would you like to ask me questions?
Question from this, or we had discussed yesterday. We had discussed sorry, we discussed yesterday
What?
uh, regarding some of words make, get, let, keep.
Yeah, we'll discuss that because now we are going to. The time is going to over.
Okay, okay, okay,
So that's why I'm not taking it because it will take some time.
okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, definitely.
So that's why we'll take it later. So that's why I'm asking you to ask me questions.
Okay. Question. Any question?
Yeah, if you have written.
Not I have written any question. I have written some of like in we had discussed in first class that you should make a new some questions.
Hmm. Yeah, I ask you to write some questions
Okay.
to ask me.
Have you been to the Delhi?
Yes, many times. I
When-
have been to Delhi many times.
Oh, and any is there any particular reason or
Actually, in
who lived in Delhi?
Faridabad, you know Faridabad,
Yeah, yeah, I know Farida.
my mamaji is there in Faridabad.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So my mamaji is there, and
Then you came to Delhi frequently.
yeah, once or twice a year.
Okay. Whenever you will come Delhi, definitely you come at my place, or if you call me, then definitely we will come at your place to meet.
Yeah, definitely. Why not? Definitely. Next time.
If you have any work over there, if you want to, if you need any help in Delhi, then I will definitely give you help. And if you have any work,
Yes, definitely. Next time I will, if I come over there, definitely I'll try to contact you, and at least
okay,
we can meet, and at least we can have a cup of tea together.
okay, okay.
Yes, definitely. So, actually, last time in, I think in last August, yes, in last August, actually, I went to Faridabad.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have been to Delhi many times actually, many times. Even I have no count
Okay,
because
okay.
yeah. So
Uh,
even I have got some of the relatives in Delhi.
okay, okay,
Yeah. So that's why.
okay, okay, okay. So, are you born and brought up in Gwalior only?
Yeah, I was born here. I studied here, and I have been teaching here.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
And have you been any other country except from India?
Yeah, I went to Manchester, UK,
Okay,
in 2002.
in 2002.
Yes. And since then, actually, I have never been to any other country. But
Okay, okay.
I would
You
like
went,
to, yes.
you went to Manchester for any work related or for your meet with your
Actually, I went to Manchester for a course
oh,
that is related to English language, and I
oh,
I was selected for that. And that time, there was no Skype, there was no like Even there was no STD. So I think there was no STD. So actually means that was no smartphone. There was no such things like that. So
Uh-huh.
I was interviewed on phone.
Okay.
Yeah, means one madam, Bana Carter. Yeah, she was there, and she had my interview for
Okay. Okay.
45 minutes on telephone.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was selected for that course, and that was for 4 weeks actually. So I went there, and
Okay.
I I had that. So that time actually my sister-in-law, my wife's sister,
Mm-hmm.
was working there in
Okay.
Manchester. So it
Uh,
was a good opportunity for me to stay there. Means I didn't have to spend lot of money for eating, for staying, and all. So
so how did you get the visa? From that institute or
no. I got the paper from that institute, and
okay.
on the basis of these papers, I got visa.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay, 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 okay.
yeah, because
If,
I got these papers by post.
okay, 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 okay.
Yeah, and
Then then you had submitted that papers in the embassy and
yes, yes,
they had
yeah,
given
yeah.
you visa.
I submitted these papers in the embassy. On the same day, I was given the visa. Same day
Oh,
means that Chanakyapuri, I think. This is the place I got that visa.
is there any particular fees for the visa
Yes,
or
that time I think it was 3,500
rupees?
rupees. Yes,
Okay.
in
Basically,
2002 it might be
f-
10,000 this time. I am not sure.
okay. Okay. Basically, visa fees is not too much. It depend how you get the invitation, visa invitation.
It's not too much, but it's not refundable.
Okay. Okay.
If you get visa, it's okay. If you don't get visa, your fees is not refundable.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
First, you have to deposit the fees, and after
Yes.
that, they will proceed for the visa.
Actually, there is a very long queue in the morning at 3 to 12 o'clock. The office actually opens,
Mhm.
that embassy opens at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
But the people stand in queue at 12 or 1 a.m.
Okay. Okay.
रात से ही लाइन में लग जाते
One right, right. One of my friend who lived in France,
हैं.
Grasse, uh, France in Grasse.
हाँ हाँ.
Have you heard about Grasse? Grasse. And he married with a foreigner
Mhm.
who lived in France, and he will get a visa very easily. There is a lot of people in a queue, and he will get visa easily because his wife from France. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah.
And also one of my more friend who lived in Australia, and also he married with the Australian girl,
Yeah, it's
and
okay, but
no, he will also
actually,
get a Australian visa easily.
yeah, actually, people prefer that to get married with a person who will not from even means not. This is not from the different community. Even this is from the different country. So
Basically, they will not married for visa. Basically, they live together. They enjoy their life. They come in India. They come. Uh, they had come to India a lot of time. They spend time at our also. So basically, there is no need for visa. Basically, they don't marry for just for visa.
then it's okay. That's okay. Okay, so see you again.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, sure.
so
See
you
you
will have
tomorrow
class tomorrow,
in the same
Saturday.
time.
Saturday.
No, 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 no. Tomorrow, not tomorrow. I will come on Monday.
Okay.
I will come on Monday because Saturday, Sunday, spend time with my family. My mother will come in Delhi.
Okay. So Monday, huh? You will take your class on
Yeah,
Monday.
Monday.
Okay. So Monday,
Right, right.
same time, huh?
Yeah, same time.
I may be little late, so it would be 12:30 if I'm late. Okay.
Okay, okay. Then we will align for the 12:30, not for 12.
Okay. Okay. So right. So we'll have class on 12:30. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, no issue.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.
Have a nice day. Thank you.